If you have a big project in After Effects and you need to export your composition as a separate projects, there's a free script that can help you to do it fast. I'll import the script into the Liveview so we can run it quickly. This script helps you to convert composition into an AEP project and create a package for Motiontill Liveview. First, select all the composition you want to export. Check that your folder structure and compositions names are correct, as the script will follow them. Then, simply click the Export button. Now after choosing where to export your file, you will be asked to enter a name for the package. Then, add a URL link and another name, which will be included in the item information. There are two ways to export. The faster method, which starts by clicking the Yes button. This may take a little time, depending on the number and size of your item, but you can check the progress by opening the export folder. Once it's done, you will see all the folders. Here are the exported components and dependency files, but these aren't all the files you needed for the package. To complete it, you will need picture and video previews. You will see a command file to create these previews. Just run the command file and wait for it to finish rendering all the previews. Once the preview file finished rendering, you will see picture and MP4 file for each AEP file. Your Motiontill Liveview package is now ready to use. Let's check out the help folder. It has a setup instruction for the extension and a catalog.html file. The catalog shows all the items in the Liveview extension and where to find the source file. This is really useful for creating a professional package if you plan to sell it. Now you can easily update all images in the folder, like icon and packaged image. Just import the list.liveview file into the extension, and you and your client can start using it right away. Your name and your link will appear in the info section, and if anyone clicks the link, it will open in their browser. Don't forget, Liveview is completely free. Use it to enhance your projects, streamline your workflow, and sell your item without any cost. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.